Hello there, Expo TV. It's been a while since I've been here to make a review for you guys. So I figured I'd stop on in. Whoops, I showed what I was going to review. I'd stop on in to show you some of the new products and things I've tried out since I've last been here to review some of these items. First off, what I have for you here today is the iPhone 3G. It's a great device. There are some flaws on it, and I'll actually discuss that here in the review, what I like and dislike about this product. This one is the 8GB version. It has a nice little Apple logo on the back. Nice and shiny, as you can see. On the bottom, if you can see it, maybe not. It says 8GB, 8GB version of the iPhone. They also make a 16GB, and hopefully, maybe eventually they'll make a larger version of it with the next generation of it that they make. The first generation iPhone, first generation iPhone had a headphone jack that stuck out a little bit, which people didn't like. I guess it wasn't working out well with the headphones that were provided with the iPhone, the standard iPod headphones. It's fairly thin, as you can see. I'd say it's slightly, maybe a centimeter, 2 centimeters, a couple centimeters larger thick-wise than the iPod Touch. So you pick and see if that's actually something that you would like. If you think it's large, then I don't think it is, but that's your opinion. It's real nice. The only thing is fingerprints, as you can see, get all over it, and that's one bad thing. I usually wipe it off with like a cloth, and it'll keep clean if you keep it in a case a little bit better. This is a pretty good phone. It's through AT&T as a carrier right now, the one that I have. Just click this button down here to power it on. Slide across, and you can see there's all these apps down here. This right here is text message. Just click it, and it'll show a list of all the people that you text messaged recently. You click their name, and it will show like a a history of all this stuff that you've been talking about, which is good. There's a calendar, contacts, clock. Those are all your basic things, especially contacts and all that. You can add pictures and phone numbers, addresses, information, little notes about each person, that kind of stuff. The clock, I really like that because if I could tap it, first of all, it has a world clock. As you can see down here at the bottom, there's little tabs. There's a world clock, a timer. You just simply click the on and off to select that time for the timer. There's a stopwatch, and what I really like about this, especially when I make cookies or something, there's a timer, so you can select the time, hours, or just simply minutes. You click start, and it'll be like a stopwatch, not a stopwatch, but a timer like on your oven, except for you can carry it around where you're at, so you don't have to be in the kitchen waiting for your cookies to be done. When you have this in your pocket, because even if you close out of this, it'll still, at the time you have it set, will ring like a ringtone, so you know that your time's up and something needs to be done or whatever. Down here, there's also a calculator. You click that, it's regular calculator. Turn it to the side, turns into a scientific calculator. It's a pretty neat feature. Error. There's maps, which is through Google Maps. Supposedly supposed to have a GPS built into it, but it's really not that good. It's not turn by turn, so it's not really useful at this time while driving. There's YouTube, standard YouTube camera. You can take regular pictures. While we're on the camera topic, let me show you the back. There's the camera right there. It doesn't have any shutter to cover up the lens from any dirt or debris, or scratches, so that's not really a good thing about this phone. But if you keep it in a nice case, you probably don't have to worry about it too much. Down there's the App Store, iTunes. App Store, you can select different apps to download. As you can see, I have a few apps down here, the flashlight and a recorder. Down there you can add different favorites, like from the internet. Right now I have Gas Buddy as a quick click icon to the internet, which makes it easier than having to type it in every time we go to Safari down there at the bottom. There's a few apps, as I said, flashlight, recorder, And then down here at the bottom is standard. There's an iPod, Safari, Mail, and phone. That's basically it. The phone, you could click that, and you could either type in what you want, or you could go to your recent contacts, or your contacts, any of that to contact someone. Safari's good. The only downside about it right now at this time is that Flash isn't enabled in it, so you can't play Flash games or watch Flash videos other than the YouTube ones, which you have to watch through the YouTube little app that's on the iPhone. Mail, you can set it up through Gmail, I believe Mac, and several different ones if you have the POP address. Down here is iPod. I don't think I have any songs on here at the moment, but you can add videos. It's a video iPod as well as a regular iPod. You can search just like iPod Touch. That's how that works. There's different apps that you could get. I have WeatherBug, the Weather Channel, MySpace, Facebook, a Movies app, Yellow Pages, eBay, Amazon, AOL Radio, Pandora, AIM, all these. I got, all kinds of apps. There's all of my games right here. I really like this one right here, Tap Defense, which is really fun. Not a whole lot to go, to say about it. You just pretty much press the app and it opens on up, just like any other standard thing. So it's a pretty good phone. Definitely, it's more than just a phone. It's like a I don't know, like personal manager. Good for business. Good for fun. There's tons of things, tons of apps for every person and almost every use. If you could think of one, there's usually an app out there for it. There's a lot of fun games out there, and a lot of them are free, so that's definitely an upside of this phone. There's a lot of makers that produce apps for this that are free, because we already spent quite a bit on the phone. Why pay more for a couple bucks each app? That kind of adds up. That when there's plenty of good free ones. So overall, I'd recommend this phone. I haven't really had any problems with it, and I definitely recommend it for anyone that is looking for a new phone. This is through AT&T. I don't know if they offer it through other carriers at this time, but maybe that's something in the future, if you get it unlocked or something like that. But it's a good phone. Go check it out. I think Walmart even carries it now, so gotta look around and see if it's something you really enjoy, because I believe in most places you could try it out and see if it's actually something you want to do. So Apple iPhone 3G, go get it. It's a good product, and I definitely give it a 5 stars out of 5. Thanks for watching.